Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, the English Club. Today I'm going to discuss with you about the grammar. First of all, I would like to say you welcome to all, and if you like my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the new and latest videos. So let's go for the topic. The topic is types of the sentences in writing and speaking. There are four basic types of the sentences that we use for the different purpose. First is the declarative sentences, and second is interrogative sentences. Third is the imperative sentences, and the exclamatory sentences. This one is the fourth. These different kind of sentences in English allow us to express ourselves clearly. Using a variety of the sentences in your writing will add interest and help you get your ideas across effectively. To communicate clearly, it's important to know the function of each type of the sentences so you can make the right choice depending on your purpose. So first is we are going to discuss first declarative sentences. Declarative sentences is the most basic type of the sentences. Its purpose is to rarely information, and it is punctuated with the period. For example, the boy walked home. Hello, honey. He wants to eat cookies, but he doesn't know how to make them. As you can see, these sentences make sometimes whatever of the fact or opinion. The declarative sentences can be simple, as in the first two examples, or compound, as in the final example. They can also be in any tenses as long as they do their basic job of the presenting information. So this makes them the most common sentences type. Furthermore, making a statement to reader recreation some tenses examples as well. So next is the interrogative sentences. What is the interrogative sentences? Interrogative sentences to interrogate or ask some questions. These are direct questions, and they are punctuated with a question mark. For example, why does the sun shine? Whose dog is that? Will Lucky get to keep all her lottery winnings? Will Lucky get to keep all her lottery winnings? So these were the interrogative, and many interrogative sentences starts with the question words like how or why, but the other are yes no question, that being with the verb instead of the noun. It is important to remember that the interrogative sentences still require a noun and a verb to be completed. The next is the exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are like declarative sentences in that they make a statement instead of asking a question, but their main purpose is to express strong emotion. They are easily recognized, become the end in an exclamation point instead of the period. For example, I said I wanted tacos instead of pizza. I said I wanted tacos instead of pizza. Oh well, he signs. Oh well, he signs. Wow, he just won a gold medal. There is one notice I want to tell you about notice that each one of these examples contain both a subject and a verb, which is still a requirement for a complete sentence. Exclamatory sentences are often used in casual conversation and in writing or written dialogue to show emotions, but they are not typically or typically useful in the academic or expository writing. In these more serious works, it's better to mark your point with well written directly sentences instead. And the next is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences do not a simple state of fact, but rather they'll tell someone to do something. This can be in the form of friendly advice, basic instructions, or more forcible commands. For example, please shut the door to keep out the baggage. Please shut the door to keep out the bags. Turn left on the bridge. Stop bothering me. So, many imperative sentences end in the periods, but some of the more forceful demands may end in the exclamation point to highlight the emotions. You can identify an imperative sentence because it appears to be missing a subject. However, the command of each imperative is directed at you, making these sentences second person. The subject of the sentence may be omitted. So, but it is called you understood because the reader is aware that each sentence could be written as you do this or you do that. Alright, thank you so much for watching my or listening my video. I hope so it would like to you and you will like it, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, the English Club, and press the bell icon to new or latest video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.